Welcome to ComPilot, one of the project tools to help operate energy communities. The network operators or community managers need to know how their energy community performs, demand and production-wise, and are often faced with the challenge of arranging cooperation agreements within the community. To help them with these challenges, we have developed the ComPilot tool that enables user-friendly monitoring and contractual management of the community. The monitoring functionalities of ComPilot include a dashboard providing a summary of consumption and production of the portfolio of various groups. The monitoring tab offers the possibility to drill in data of each member of the community, while individual analytics compare their performance with other members of the community they are a part of. The heat map offers a better visual presentation of the production and demand data and allows faster identification of the areas with low renewables production and high demand, which presents a high potential for improvement. The management feature of ComPilot implements a tariff design module that allows customization of tariff periods, different time slots including information about holidays, weekends and daylight saving time. These periods are then used to design new tariffs, where you can define different pricing for various tariff periods for both consumption and production. Each individual member is then assigned a tariff corresponding to his energy community or individual arrangement defined within tariff design. With these functionalities, ComPilot makes monitoring and management of energy communities easier and helps with their further development. Keep up to date and follow the progress online on our website and in the social media.